Right, let me ask now. The song when named Granny, how did that song, come to be of like, this prominence?
Well, as I said, that song, and that song never did to come out, remember? So I did tell the producer, don't release a song there. Danny Brown, yeah, because Danny Brown about 2 times. I said, scrap the song there. I don't want to come out sound like an old lady. Because I remember saying I'm hardcore that time. I DJ hardcore lyrics. But it was a joke when I do Granny. Granny was a joke to me. Big joke song. If you want to ask me. True. So me, they just do it and they say, I don't want to sound like an old lady. No, sir. So I said, Danny Brown, they scrap the song there. Danny said, no. That can't have a call back, you know. Their country and say, Danny, that song let me voice it over advice. I said, no, they agree and him convinced me. Boom. Go on my yard. 2 days after. I said, no, sir, still don't want that song to come out. Go back at the callbacks again. Danny and him convinced me again. But I want to give you a joke. The mistake when I the song, because people know say a big mistake.
Me know the part when you say, when you
Wheel
forget.
and come again.
Wheel and come, I know, so I forget the lyrics, right?
Yeah. Because I'm tired.
And that was the baddest part of
all
the
right,
song.
but hold on now. When I run out of breath, I say, hey, rice gone up. Chicken at the time, I make breath and go left me now. Gone out of space. And I say, wheel and come again. I can't catch the note there. Because I rock. And I really, but guess what now? I never come out of the granny fight, so I say. But still I say, in the granny fight. What I really mean is to me stay now in the stood. I wait to hear the rhythm come back. Can't hear nothing. When I push the door, I Danny Brown let me sit on him side. I dead. I said, Danny, come on, man. He said, no, make it stay. I said, but Danny, I saw the song go. He said, no, make it stay. I said, all right. I will just pick up and finish the song. So I then miss you more time. I mean, music where if people don't really know, can remember me beg him not to release the song,
I coulda who say granny no miserable. If you live with your granny, you will turn granny tough. Who say granny no love the cousin? Give me granny, she cuss for everything. Granny,
stop hollering out my name. You calling me name in vain? Why you want call me pa?
this who left you and go live with mama.
Imagine, I can't take this country what we live in. Look how much money we have to pay for chicken. Rice and flour and cornmeal is a sin. When I talk about
Wheeler,